Hello friends, myself Bhavan Jha. I have two topics for discussion from class 12th biology. These topics are very important for class 12 as well as pre-medical exams. Today's topics for discussion are chromosomal disorders from chapter 5 and lymphoid organs from chapter 8. First topic is chromosomal disorder from chapter 5, that is principles of inheritance and variation. We know that we have 46 chromosomes, that is 2n. 2n equal to 46. We are diploid organism. Out of these chromosomes, 22 pairs are autosomes and last pair is called sex chromosome. Sex chromosome is responsible for determination of sex in human beings. In chromosomal disorder, there is absence or excess or abnormal arrangement of one or more chromosomes. It is two types. First one is aneuploidy. In aneuploidy, there is gain or loss of one or more chromosomes. Cause of aneuploidy is failure of segregation of chromatids during cell division cycle. It is further of two types. First one is trisomy. In trisomy there is gain of one chromosome, that is 2n plus 1 equal to 47. Example, Down syndrome. In Down syndrome there is trisomy of 21st chromosome. Some common characters of Down syndrome are there is furrowed tongue, palm crease, partially open mouth, congenital heart disease, flat back of head, broad flat face, many loops on fingertips and palm crease. Next one is Klinefelter syndrome. In this syndrome, there is increase of one X chromosome in males. Such males have overall masculine development, but there is breast development. It is called gynecomastia. Such males are usually sterile. Next one is monosomy. In monosomy, there is loss of one chromosome, that is 2n minus 1 equal to 45. Example, Turner syndrome. In Turner syndrome, there is decrease of one X chromosome in female. Such females have rudimentary ovary, that is ovary not well developed. Such females are also sterile. Next one is polyploidy. In polyploidy, there is increase in whole set of chromosome in an organism. Its cause is failure of segregation cytokinesis after telophase stage of cell division. It is usually seen in plants like normal edible wheat, that is Triticum stivum is hexaploid. It has 2n equal to 6x equal to 42, where n equal to haploid number of chromosome and x is basic number of chromosome. Next topic for discussion is lymphoid organs from chapter 8, that is human health and disease. These are organs where origin and or maturation and proliferation of lymphocytes occur. Lymphoid organs are two types. First one is primary lymphoid organs. These are bone marrow and thymus. In primary lymphoid organs, immature lymphocytes differentiate into antigen-sensitive lymphocytes. After maturation, they migrate to secondary lymphoid organs. Bone marrow and thymus. Bone marrow is main lymphoid organ where all blood cells are produced. Thymus is lobed organ located near heart. It is quite large at the time of birth but keep reducing in size with age. Both bone marrow and thymus provide microenvironments for development and maturation of T lymphocytes. Next one is secondary lymphoid organs. These are 5 types like spleen, lymph nodes, tonsils, Peyer's patches of small intestine and appendix of large intestine. Secondary lymphoid organ provides sites for interaction of lymphocytes with antigens. which then proliferate to become effector cells. Spleen is large bean-shaped organ containing mainly lymphocytes and phagocytes. Lymphocytes are type of leukocytes, that is WBC, and phagocytes engulf microbes. Secondary lymphoid organs. Spleen acts as filter of blood by trapping blood-borne microorganisms. It also acts as reservoir of erythrocyte or red blood cells. It is also called blood bank. Lymph nodes. Lymph nodes trap microbes or other antigens which happen to get into lymph and tissue fluid. Antigens trapped here activate lymphocytes and cause immune response. Next topic is malt. Malt is mucosal associated lymphoid tissue. These are lymphoid tissues present in major tracts like respiratory, digestive and urogenital tracts. It constitutes about 50% of lymphoid tissue in human body. Thanks. I hope this information will help you to boost your knowledge for board exam as well as various competitive exams. Thanks.